welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you're all well and having a lovely day. Now today I have been out and about and I've been shopping, and this is my last visit to Hobbycraft for a while, but this is my Hobbycraft haul. I know it's dangerous, but I found some real bargains. So let me move these things to one side and I will show you, oh, left a book there, some of the good things that I have found. Right, not everything was in the sales. I did need some things. Now, oops, let me just move these to one side for a minute. First of all, I have a Heidi Swap journal, and I wanted some note cards actually, but these are recipe cards and they're reduced to £1. And I thought what I could do is actually put a sticker over the recipe and the ingredients and have this as a checklist. So I got a 24 pack, the recipe page inserts, but I'm just going to stick a sticker over there. So I got 3 packs of those because I do put my shopping list in them a lot. Now these say £5, they were actually 2, and I have 3 of these. Now these are la-di-da books. They're very much like the oh my gosh, what are they called, smash books that you can get. They're not as good, I don't think, as the smash books, but for £2 these are super cool. So what you actually get is you get a pen which has a little glue. It's really cool, look. So you've got your pen, and then you've got a little glue stick on the end here. I can show you just there. Mind you, the pen I got the other day did not work, and everyone is different. So you've got lots of coloured pages, and you can use this as a journal, as a scrapbook, as a glue book. You've got adventure awaits, you've got a pocket here to put photos in, and you've got, you know, some pages are written on, but they're very colourful. But what I love about these, you can actually open the binder, which is super cool, because you can, I have actually got a cinch, is it called a cinch, that, you know, does the, you know, what you call them, binders. So I can make holes in some pages and add pages to this, or once this is used up, refill them. So yes, I had to get, I'm terrible, if there is something great in the sale, I have to get all the versions of it. So if there's 3 different styles, I have to get all 3 different styles. And I'm not going to go through and show you them all, but these were actually £2. And you get a pen as well. So, and they're black fine journal pens. So really cool. They're going in my journal collection. I am a bit bad. I do collect journals as well as make them. Excuse me. Now, Charlie out of the way. Okay. Oh, what was that? Something fell on the floor. Right, okay, I needed some of these. These were not in the sale, so these were £7 actually, but I did need some because I only have 2, and if I want to change my colours, so I have bought 2. I've been meaning to get some for a while, and also bought some tacky glue, even though I don't need glue. But anyway, hey ho, that's another story. So they can go there. Now, I found this scallop punch, and this was, I think it was £2 actually, and I don't have a scallop punch that size, so I got that. A little stamp, it says keep calm and love on, it was 50p, and a reel of ribbon, which was £1. Now I found these great sticker books. Let me just put them in their piles because I have got a couple. These were 50p a pack. Now I get these because the kids love stickers, but I also got them because I love stickers. So there were some different style ones in there. That's Bliss, Tropical Bliss. So this one is a great one. Let me zoom in. It's called Get It Done, and it's got like little arrows and bits you can write on. It says important, don't forget. These are great for your planners and your journals. So this has quite a few different stickers in there. So I did get a few of these because these would be great for my Heidi Swap journals. This one is succulent plants, and it's just got a lot of little cactuses and plants and that in here. That one. This one is called Wild and Free, and it's got lots of little animals, so the kids would love these. These are just great for the kids. So I got them a couple. This one is Into the Ocean. So it's mermaids, which, as you can guess, this is for Franny because she loves mermaids. So that will keep her busy for a while. And I'm not being funny, for 50p a pack. This one's Tropical Bliss, and it does have some pretty birds in here that I would probably use on tags and things. So this one will definitely get used for me. I'm not giving this one to the kids, so I did get a couple of those. I did get a little hole punch because I've lost mine. I think that was £1. Now I got these are Heidi Swap letters. They're just if I can open it, they were £3, but they're great big Heidi Swap letters, which I just thought was super cool and fun to use on projects. They're quite big actually. They're bigger than what I thought they were, but the kids will have fun with these, especially spelling out things for birthdays, etc. So some things I do get, not just for me. All of my grandkids say, apart from Linky, because now he's too old, say when they come round, Nanny, Nelly, can we go in your craft room? So I say yes. Okay, now these were a real bargain. They are 2 notebooks for £1. So you get a gold one and a striped one, and these are big. These are, I don't know, A5 size, aren't they, I suppose. I haven't got my tape measure handy. But there's 2 in a pack, so I thought I would get them. And I think I even got, they're selling the covers for £2. So this is just your journal cover, and it's already got a book in it. But that was £2, and then, you know, you just stick your little books in there. So these are great just for writing down notes. So this was 2, and they had these in a lot of different, oh, I've gone out of focus then, a lot of different colours. So let me zoom back out, it might help. So they do have these in a lot of different colours. They're £2, and they have these in gold and silver, but I think they're only £1.50 regular price anyway. Just great for a little notebook, and then you can decorate the pages up. If you don't want to start from scratch with a journal, you can just start with a notebook. Some little treat bags, because these are great for putting in little, for Happy Mail. They were £2. And I got this. It's a ultimate travel planner, £2 this is. So I thought this would be great for when I next go on my travels. I took one when I went to Mexico this year, and I haven't found it yet to show you, but this is actually one that you would write in, you know, when you are planning different, you know, things like to-do lists, a journal of, you know, memories, etc. Books to take. I did take a book actually this time on holiday. It was actually, I don't know if I should say this on camera, but it was The Mister, which is by the author of 50 Shades. It was a very good read. It wasn't like 50 Shades though. It was very, very nice, shall we say, compared, you know, very nice, you know what I mean, placid, shall we say. That's probably an appropriate way of putting it, but it was a very good book to read, and I read that on holiday while I was on my sun lounger. So yeah, this was a travel planner, £2 to go to my planner collection. Oh, more of the notebooks. And I found these are Project Life They are photo overlays, which I've not seen before. And these were £3. But look how cool these are. They have like, I don't know if you can see that, dreams and, let me see if I can, dreams and wishes. This magic moment, how cool is that? Today, so these are really cool. And then you've got some big ones as well. Reasons why I love you. And then stay curious. Oh gosh, there's quite a lot in here. I am in love with today. That one has dandelions on. But you could have fun making pockets out of these actually. Reasons to be happy. Loving this lately. Loving this lately. And oh, the little things, and then a floral one. So you could have fun making pockets with those, as well as using them for what their purpose is. Now, the fun thing that I got today, now, this is something I'm going to have some fun with. These are chalk cloud blending ink. Now, I've heard of these, but, you know, at £4 a pop, when I didn't really know how to use them, I thought, oh, should I get them? But they were reduced to £2, and actually they're cosmic shimmer and they're chalk cloud blending ink. I got 6 different colours, and they are really, really cool. Now, which one did I open? Was it this one? Yeah. So what they are, if I can get these off, if you've never ever seen them before, you would get a sponge, which I don't have one handy, and you rub it, and then you would put it on. Have I got a piece of paper? Let me find you a piece of paper. Right, I've just got the back of something here. And then you blend. It probably doesn't do it as good. No, probably doesn't do it as good with my finger, but with a sponge. Let me see if I can get one. Oh, they would be in the bottom here, wouldn't they? Oh, right, I have one here. So, let's have a look. You're supposed to use a sponge, and you press until it comes down on the thing. Now, this is probably going to be a bit of trial and error. And then you blend. Oh, and you make like... So, I suppose you could use this as distressing, I suppose. I think I need to practice a bit more. That's not very good, is it? I think I probably need to watch some tutorials. But look, you can make patterns. I wonder if you can use it with a stencil. I presume you probably could put a stencil. I'm probably putting too much on, do you think? Oh, I think I need a bit of practice. I'm going to go and watch some tutorials. They look like fun anyway. Right, not so sure that's very good. I'm going to go watch some tutorials as to how to use these cosmic shimmer chalk cloud blending inks. Like I said, I've got several different colours. This one is misty grey, vanilla twist, toasted rose, and enchanted blossom, terracotta, and subtle sage. So I'm going to go and watch a video, because I don't think that's going to work, and I'm going to put this stuff away, and I will be back very soon for another video. So take care for now. I hope you've had a lot of fun. I actually thought that would be easier. I'm not doing it right. Maybe I need to, it does say use sponge. Maybe I'm not using the right sponge. Maybe I'm not using the right technique. I will come back and show you a good video of a good way to use them, because at £2, there's an awful lot in these tubs. They are 38 grams. So there's a lot in there if you can use them properly. So that's going to be fun, isn't it? I'll find out how to use them, and I will see you very, very soon. So take care for now. Love you guys. Bye.